This is our LED CO2 machine, and this is the power in, power out, DMX in, DMX out fuse LCD display. This switch can change the manual and DMX. This is DMX, this is manual. This is gas force inside, gas force in, or this is gas force in, this gas force out, so you can connect the machine one by one together. This is the standard 6-meter gas force. And for export, we have the copper adapter fitting. And this is the rubber rail. And this is the remote controller. Remote controller have the battery, but for export, we will remove this battery. So you need to purchase yourself. And this battery size is 23 ampere and 12 watt. Please note, this is the small battery. You can purchase this battery from your local market. And we also have one DMX cable and one power cable. Now I show you how to use this machine. First, you need to connect this power cable. And when you push this switch to manual to on this button, you can hear the valve open and close sound. So if you push to this manual button, for example, and you push this power switch, so you can hear the valve open and close. And we suggest you use the DMX mode. The DMX mode, you need to push to DMX position, and you need to connect the DMX cable. Channel 1 is open. Channel 2 is red, green, blue. This is all color on, and this is a stop. And this is auto color change. And channel 7 is a color change speed. And if you want to use this remote controller, you need to disconnect the DMX cable, disconnect, and you need to push the LCD display to other mode, not D0001. This is DMX mode. Push to other mode, and you can, for example, this button is the valve open. This is closed. This is valve open. You can hear the valve open and close. And number one is red color. Number 2 is green color. Number 3 is blue color. And this is C. C button is auto color change. If you want to stop, push this one. Green, blue, auto, and stop. And you can see this mode not in D0001. You need to change to other mode. Please note, need to change. Otherwise, this remote controller, no response. Under DMX mode, this remote controller, no response. Now I show you the manual mode. You can control by our manual controller. Please note, under manual way, you cannot control the LED. Okay. Now I show you the remote control. I change red, green, blue. Now I change to red color and jet. Now I change to green color. Blue color. Okay. Now I show you control way by DMX controller. Red, green, blue, stop, and auto color change. red